Hello everyone. This is a question that was asked in January JEE Mains 2025. Let's read. The product of all rational roots of the equation x square minus 9x plus 11 the whole square minus x minus 4 into x minus 5 equal to 3. Now if I expand this first bracket, it is in the form of a plus b plus c the whole square. So I am going to get 6 terms which will have x to the power 4, x cube, x square, x terms. So that is going to be complicated. So we'll think of something which will simplify this. Now if I orally multiply this, I know that I am going to get x square minus 9x here. So I'll take advantage of that. Why? Because these are similar terms. If we get something similar, we can substitute as some variable. So I'll put here x square minus 9x as some p. So I have here p plus 11 the whole square minus p plus 20 minus 3 equal to 0. So p square plus 121 plus 22p minus p minus 20 minus 3 is 0. So p square plus 21p and 121 minus 23 is 98. Now I'll find factors for 98 so that I get the product. So that is 2 4s are 2 9s are 7 7s are. Okay, so the factors can be 14 and 7 so that I get 21. So p plus 14 one bracket, p plus 2 is equal to 0. So either p is p plus 7. So either p is minus 14 or p is minus 7. So putting this here, so I have two equations here, x square minus 9x plus 14 is 0 and x square minus 9x plus 7 is 0. So if I find factors, 7 2s are 14, so x minus 7, x minus 2. So I have two rational factors here, x is 7, x is 2. Here if I go for, because I have to find numbers whose product is 7 and sum is 9, so that is difficult. Definitely discriminant here will be irrational. So discriminant is going to be b square minus 4ac. So odd minus even, that is going to be odd. So here the roots are irrational. So we are not dealing with those roots. We need the products of all rational roots. So rational roots are 7 and 2. So their products 7 2s are 14. So answer will be option D. Thank you.